In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use drag and drop feature in Brevo. Start by looking at the left sidebar in your Brevo dashboard. This is where you will find the main navigation for creating and managing your email content. Click Campaigns. This section is dedicated to email campaigns, templates, and the tools you need to design messages that look professional. Once you are in Campaigns, find and click Templates. Templates are reusable email designs, and they make it much faster to build consistent emails for future campaigns. From there, select Create a new template. This begins the process of building a design that you can save and use again whenever you need it. Next, you will move into the design experience. Click Next to enter the editor. The editor is where you will choose a layout and then customize it using Brevo's drag and drop tools. Take a moment to let the page load fully, since the editor has multiple panels and design options that need to appear before you can work smoothly. Now select Template Gallery and pick any design. The gallery gives you a starting point, so you do not have to create everything from a blank page. Choose a design that matches the type of email you plan to send, such as a newsletter style or a simple announcement layout. You can adjust colors, text, and structure later, so focus on selecting a template with a layout that fits your content. Once your template opens, you will see the email body in the main area and a panel on the left with content blocks. This is where the drag and drop feature comes in. Drag and drop blocks from the left panel into the email body. Click and hold a block, move it to the spot where you want it to appear. Then release to place it. As you move a block, look for visual placement cues so you can drop it in the correct section. Work one block at a time to keep your layout organized, and place elements in a logical reading order so your email is easy to scan. When you are satisfied with your arrangement, you have successfully used Brevo's drag and drop editor to build your template structure. That covers everything you need to know.